Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage I, the teacher, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. Never a minute late, the teacher hurried to class, his brown leather shoes clicking and clacking on the hardwood floor. The time was 8:59 in the morning. In his hands he held a hastily written lesson plan and a storybook he had grabbed from the library as he passed. The door creaked as he entered, and the students looked up. It was unusual for him to be late. Questions. What was the teacher doing in sentence 1? Why was the teacher hurrying? How do you know the person is a teacher, other than being called a teacher, of course? Was it normal for the teacher to be late? How do you know that? Now let's check the answers. What was the teacher doing in sentence 1? The teacher was hurrying to class. We know this because it says the teacher hurried to class. It also mentions leather shoes clicking and clacking on the floor, suggesting they're moving quickly. Why was the teacher hurrying? Well, the teacher was going to be late. We know this because it says in the last sentence it was unusual for him to be late, and so on this occasion he was. It also says the time was 8:59, and we know school often starts at 9. How do you know the person is a teacher? Well, the teacher is carrying a lesson plan and storybook. The teacher is also going to a classroom. It mentions a class here in the text. Was it normal for the teacher to be late, and how do you know that? No, it was unusual for him to be late. It says so in the last sentence. And the text says never a minute late, meaning they haven't been late before. Thank you for your time. How did you go?